welcome back to our channel Ahaan Entertainments. Myself Saranya. Today I'm going to discuss about the current changes in New Zealand Nursing Council for the internationally qualified nurses. Usually I do videos in Malayalam, but today I'm planning to do it in English to inform all the internationally qualified nurses about the current changes. So you know that New Zealand has system of assessing international qualified nurses, which is called as competency assessment program. To reach the competency assessment program, we have to complete our processing or paperwork through CGFNS processing. And finally, after getting the decision letter from New Zealand Nursing Council, we are doing the competency assessment program, which is a 8 weeks to 12 weeks bridging program provided by different institutions or care providers. Okay, it is going to be the past from 2024, which means New Zealand Nursing Council is planning to adapt to a new system of assessing internationally qualified nurses. And this is going to be a 3-step program. In the first step, after starting our processing with New Zealand Nursing Council, we have to do two courses, which is mainly discussing about cultural safety and New Zealand healthcare system, and also Treaty of Waitangi. I'm not going to discuss further about Treaty of Waitangi or the courses. And for these courses, you can create a profile in New Zealand Nursing Council in your internationally qualified nursing portal. And after creating your profile, you can go through these courses and complete the courses. And for each course, you have to complete a quiz, which is usually with your in-service education. You are doing the courses and you have to do the quiz program, and I hope you have to get 100% for this courses, for these quizzes to pass the course. And after getting the certificate, you have to upload this to your nursing council portal. And the second step is you are attending a theory examination that you can attend from anywhere in the world in an accredited examination center. Like you attend the IELTS or OET, it has to be in an accredited examination center. So the course, the theory exam, and will be based on your nursing knowledge, and this will be based on the state exam of domestic students, which means the syllabus will be almost equivalent to the domestic students, those who are attending BSc nursing or BN from New Zealand. So equal to the final examination syllabus of New Zealand domestic BNs, bachelors of nursing students. And the second and the third and final step is OSCE, that the New Zealand Council is adapting a system which is almost like the UK and Australia has for registration of internationally qualified nurses. So in this OSCE, you have to go through 3 days pre-orientation or preparation program, and finally you will be attending a 3-hour examination in our OSCE, and this will be based on clinical setting or stations, which you have to do the written demonstration. Most of the CAP students currently doing the same by the end of their theory classes. So this is this changes is mostly providing equitable system for all the internationally qualified nurses. I say equitable because the CAP providers, different colleges provide CAP program, and it depends on their program. It will be 8 weeks or 12 weeks, and the fees of this program differs for each college. So this new system will provide equitable area of fees, also the duration of the course. So this will be more advantageous for all the nurses. And another advantageous thing is currently New Zealand Nursing Council is accepting nurse post-registration experience of 2 years of experience, that is after completing your BSc nursing or post-basic nursing. You have 2 years of experience to get registered as a nurse in New Zealand. But from this change, they are going to accept nurses with 1 year experience after their registration. So this is going to be another advantage for this program. And the cost of the program, which means the cost for CAP program is a big money, definitely, because we have to have the living expense, because we are in visiting visa for 3 months, so we have to find our source of expense for the whole 3 months. And also we have all the like accommodation, food, and everything we have to spend our own. We are not supposed to work in this duration of 3 months. So from this we have like a 3 days program plus an examination, so which means the cost of this program will be much less than the cap program. And also this is going to be launched from beginning of 2024, I hope. That is the new update, the recent update, but we will get further updates later on, so we'll wait for further updates. And mainly these are the things that I would like to explain. And you all know that now it's more advantageous for all the nurses, because New Zealand accepting clubbing score, New Zealand is asking for experience of 1 year after registration, and the duration of the CAP program is not there anymore. We have 3 days of this program, and also the exam that we can attend from our home country, which is like a tension free, that we can attend the exam in our own place. And for then we migrate to like come to New Zealand and do this 3 days program and get our registration done. And then that's the main advantage, the like all advantages that I'm discussing. And also what is what I'm yeah, there won't be CAP program as an assessment tool, so you don't need to go to a clinical setting. It is a tension thing, that we a stressful thing, that we are coming to a country and we are attending a theory portion, and also we are going to a clinical setting, and we have a preceptor monitoring everything. So it's not there anymore in 2024. You can just get the exam done, just get your OSCE done, and then you can go to the clinical setting as a registered nurse, not as a CAP student. You don't want anyone supervising you doing everything for 6 weeks, so that is another advantage. So it is going to be most similar to the approaches in UK and Australia. And you know that many of the nurses migrating to UK because of the reasons of like less post-registration experience needed and all those things. Now it's happening in New Zealand as well. So these are currently there won't be any changes for the processing for enrolled nurses, and maybe there will be some changes after getting this registered nurses changes done. So these are the main thing that I want to discuss. I will be explaining very elaborated if I'm talking in Malayalam, but now in English, and this is my first video after a long time, 3 years I'm doing in English. So not nervous, but still yeah, I'm just going to do the contents only. That's I think more convenient for me and you as well. So yeah, this is all the things that I want to discuss. Mainly I got everything, all the papers ready and my notes. I'm just going through the things. So okay, so the fee structure for this program is not yet decided, but New Zealand Nursing Council already mentioned in their website that it will be less expensive than the current CAP program. And as I said, it's going to provide equitable system for all the internationally qualified nurses. And also they are providing, there is no changes regarding the refund that all the CAP nurses or the internationally qualified nurses currently receiving. After their CAP, they can get the refund of the CAP fees. So that going to be there further. So we hope we'll get that advantage again for all the nurses. So there won't be any clinical placement CAP program. And yeah, 3 steps that we already discussed. I'm just going through everything to make sure that we discussed everything. So yeah, I'm not going further to the Treaty of Waitangi, which the pre-entry education that is mainly focused on Treaty of Waitangi, cultural safety and context of nursing in New Zealand. So that you have to complete before your registration. So you got a long period of time. You can re-attempt it, but I think you have to pay. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. It's not yet announced. Or yeah, so if you fail for the OSCE practical or theory, you can re-attempt that as well. So there is no limitation set at the moment. So that's it. I really want to discuss for today. So, if you have any more queries, please feel free to use the comment box, or you can also reach me through the Ahaan Entertainments Facebook page, which I'll give the link here, and also I'm going to put a link for the changes in New Zealand Nursing Council website. So it will be in description box plus the Facebook messenger um details of mine, so you can send me your doubts, so I will try to reply, but if I'm not sure about anything, I will let you know. So please feel free to contact me. So thank you for watching Ahaan Entertainments. I hope I will be doing more videos in English, so everyone can access it. And yeah, I'll update you about the further changes in New Zealand Nursing Council. Yeah, thank you for watching Ahaan Entertainment. See you in another video. Bye.